4 years ago, I had an accident while skiing in the Andes close to Santiago, Chile, which is where my wife and I had been living. In the accident, I smashed a couple of vertebrae and also suffered severe and permanent damage to the spinal cord, unfortunately. Due to the extent of the injuries, I now have to use a wheelchair to get around. At the time, I was working as a strategy consultant, focusing on the pharmaceutical industry. And once I had gotten back into that role and afterwards moved back to Switzerland after the accident, I realized that I needed to reassess my career and where I wanted to take that career, because I needed to take better care of my health, and I also wanted to be able to spend more time with my family, which then also included my 2 twin daughters that were born in May 2020. I applied to Novartis, having heard a lot of great things about the company from former colleagues that started to work there as well. And I'm really glad that I did. 1.5 years ago, I joined the Global Drug Development Unit of Novartis and now work there as a strategy director. Having studied pharmaceutical sciences in university, I was really keen on getting closer to where the magic happens, which is where we take great science and convert it into actual medicines that then have an impact on patients. Being surrounded by extremely talented, dedicated and passionate people that work day in and day out on reimagining medicine is truly fascinating, very inspiring, and a great experience. The other aspect that I'm really grateful about and that I really appreciate is that my needs are being effortlessly accommodated every day. From a small detail such as choosing the location of a meeting room to the ability of working remotely and flexibly, there's always consideration, there's a lot of kindness, and I'm never made to feel that my disability is getting in the way of my work. At Novartis, everybody receives great support regardless of whether they have a disability or not. Join us and imagine the career that you could have here.